I took my little 2022 GR86 out on a nice cruise all through the Northeast Texas area. Yes, it was Father's Day, and there was a lot of sons and daughters and granddaughters and all kinds of cool people that gathered together for car cruises. All of this began with several of us meeting in Cooper, Texas. And from that area, the square in Cooper, we hit the road and mosey on down to, well, Wolfe City. Met up with Danny Pate and really, actually, lots of other people there in Wolfe City, downtown. From there, we hit the road again. So we strolled on out for quite a while, went through Bailey and some other towns like Leonard, and then finally proceeded down to Celeste, Texas, where the whole gang met up again, and we just had a really nice chit-chat and a lot of fun. I would like to ask you to look at this picture carefully for a few seconds, and towards the end of the video, see if you can figure out what city this was from back in 1963. Welcome to this little bit different of a video, still relative to some of these Northeast Texas cruising groups. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. To start this thing off, several of us met in Cooper, downtown at the square, including this nice truck and the 57 Chevy wagon that was absolutely beautiful, owned by Jim. From Cooper, we hit the road and went off towards Wolfe City. So just a couple of, video clips of heading to Wolfe City and then getting down into Wolfe City for a little bit more fun. While at Wolfe City, we ended up with 3 or 4 Mustangs, so that was really nice. This old Boneville got some attention, from volunteer firefighters. I hope that's a good thing. Lots and lots and lots and lots of trucks. And this is Rick's really cool airbag truck. This thing can really roll down the road like crazy. It's fast. I believe this old thing was a Chevy C10. Pretty cool. The guy was really neat and loved his little puppy dog. Dog was cool too. So very nice. Looking at more of the trucks that were there in Wolfe City, I believe I'm just going to play some music over this and just let you enjoy seeing them as they roll by. And I do have a couple of photographs as well. This group of trucks came in from Celeste, Texas, of which when we leave, they'll go back to Celeste because that's our last leg of the cruises. And this white truck, I don't believe I've seen before. This is Tracy's, and it is really a magnificent machine. Really like the lines. And what is a burnt video without some Corvettes in it? So always like looking at this. The guy had put in a truck LS engine in this thing and did a really marvelous job. another Corvette, this C1 1961, with this couple. They were super nice and gracious, just as the car was. Just some more pictures and video clips of this little jewel. Finally, rambling down the road from Leonard is Dennis with his car alarm. Great big old puppy dog, but he's pretty cool. So nice of them to drop by and come down to Wolfe City as well. Several of us in different groups. I was in one group. There was a whole nother one or two groups of cars. Went different directions out from Wolfe City to Celeste. So let's watch this a second. Finally, getting into Celeste, this was the last leg of the cruises and the cruise-ins. So we wanted to go to Celeste and look at all these fine cars and trucks. Aren't they just wonderful? A really, really nice lineup for this little town. And we wanted to go out especially to see Connie Sue. She is a very nice person, very good at organizing events. And look at all these wonderful people that gathered in Celeste. Had a wonderful, wonderful time. Plenty of places to sit. Nice awning at the buildings. Really, really great people. So enjoyed talking to all of them and saying all the silly, stupid things that I do. Also liked Chief, the three-legged dog. This pup is wonderful. So another mention here, here's Russell Gray, just a great guy. And this is Paris. Yep, that's his name, Paris. He owns this fine motorcycle. He's a disc jockey. Gosh, I don't know. He does all kinds of stuff. So a really cool guy. I hope to meet up with him someday again. All right, let's go through some of the pickup trucks. They were all really, really nice. So enjoyed looking at them. And I want to also mention this is Mike Greer. And he had just bought this NASCAR pickup. And it is a bona fide NASCAR truck. I believe it had a highly cammed 4-cylinder in it. Don't know what it was making in terms of horsepower, but it was a really cool car. We'll see a little bit more of this in a minute or two here as he is leaving. And let's take another nice look at the 61 Corvette. I just really thought this was a beautiful machine, and it just really sparkled out in the sun. Talk about a lot of red. You see this thing from a mile away. Beautiful car. This Mustang and a couple of the pickup trucks, I caught them coming and caught them going. I did not have a chance to talk to them to find out where they were from or any such noodly stuff as that. but they seemed like genuinely great people. So, talking through these videos, it takes better people than me sometimes. So anyway, this was a lot of fun, and let's take a listen to this car as it comes down the road. Get some popcorn while you watch. Another quick shot of Dennis's side-by-side. He takes this thing everywhere along with the dog. But it is time to go. So let's just kind of finish this thing up with some of the people leaving and just hope you enjoy it. And as usual, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a fantastic day. And on YouTube, if you like what I provide, please subscribe. If you're on Rumble, please follow. See you later. Have a great day. Wait. Before you go, remember this photograph. Do you think you can guess what city this is from 1963? Now, for me, I am going to go off the brick road and the shape of the sidewalks. I'm not sure about the tower, but the building that the flag is kind of pointing to kind of looks like the one that's in Wolfe City. So all of this looks Wolfe City to me. From 1963, you have had a 33% chance of guessing which of the three cities, Cooper, Wolfe City, Celeste, that this came from. So anyway, I don't remember what I was told for what city this was, but I believe it's Wolfe City.